In this section, we will cover the basics of accessing and using ChatGPT and discover its endless possibilities. So, let's dive right in. To access ChatGPT, you need to create an account on the OpenAI website. So, go to chat.openai.com and click Sign Up. Enter your email address and click on Continue button. Now enter a strong password and click on Continue. You'll be asked to verify your email. Go to your email box to verify the email. Once you click on Verify Email Address, after successful verification of the email, you'll be directed to the OpenAI welcome page. Now go back to the verification page and click Refresh. You'll be asked for your personal information. After providing your name and date of birth, click Continue. Next, you need to enter your phone number and click Send Code. After you enter the received code, verification is completed and you are directed to ChatGPT homepage. Here, you are presented with an informational screen telling that this is a free research preview. After reading the content, click Next button. Now, you'll see some information about ChatGPT's data collection policy. Please note that you are advised not to provide any sensitive information in your conversations. After reading the info, click the Next button. ChatGPT loves to receive your feedback to improve their learning model. You can also join their Discord server to provide feedback. Now click the Done button. Congratulations, you now have access to the ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT is very easy. Once you sign in, all you need to do is type in your question or the topic that you want to learn more about. Once you ask a question or provide a prompt for ChatGPT to respond to, it will use its knowledge and understanding of language to generate a response that is both relevant and engaging. Once the response generation is complete, ChatGPT saves the conversation. The saved conversation is displayed in the left panel. You can also edit the title of the saved response or delete the saved conversation. ChatGPT can do many things that you might not expect from a chatbot. It can answer your questions about history, science, literature, and many other topics. You can use it as a virtual assistant, a study buddy, and even to create a resume and practice for your next job interview. Recently, OpenAI upgraded ChatGPT with new plugins, expanding its capabilities beyond its original training data. Now, ChatGPT can perform even a wider range of tasks, thanks to new plugins like FiscalNote, Klarna, Milo, Shopify, Slack, Speak, Wolfram, and Zapier. With these upgrades, ChatGPT is now a one-stop shop for all your personal assistant needs, whether you're looking to book travel, order groceries, or simply get the latest news and information from the web. This new AI functionality is currently only available to select users. OpenAI plans to work out any issues before a wider rollout and will continue to add more plugins. Let's give ChatGPT a spin and see how it performs in some real-life scenarios. Get ready to be amazed. Let's ask ChatGPT about itself. Quite informative, isn't it? Now let's ask ChatGPT to create a learning plan for me. I can even ask ChatGPT more info about each of these steps. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a poem about a water bottle to see its creative side. It's quite funny and interesting. I loved it. Now I want a summary of the popular book Atomic Habits from James Clear. This way, I can learn the key ideas from the book in a short amount of time. One of my colleagues has his 5th work anniversary. Let's ask ChatGPT to compose a congratulations email. Awesome, I don't need to worry about writer's block anymore. Did I tell you ChatGPT can speak other languages? Let's see if it can translate my email to Urdu language. And there you have it. We've put ChatGPT to the test and ChatGPT has shown us its amazing capabilities. We hope that this section has given you a taste of what ChatGPT can do and sparked your interest in exploring its capabilities further. It's important to note that ChatGPT is not perfect though. Its major limitation is that ChatGPT's data is limited to 2021. The chatbot does not have an awareness of events or news that have occurred since then. Therefore, some prompts will create no results if it's about something after 2021. But with ChatGPT's plugins, this limitation is handled and you can access up-to-date web data. Also keep in mind that sometimes it might make mistakes, say something inappropriate, or repeat itself. I asked ChatGPT if I can trust the information provided by ChatGPT, and this is what it said. Keeping these things in mind, it's always a good idea to double-check the information that you get from ChatGPT. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check the next videos in the series to learn more about ChatGPT.